You're going to need a 10mm socket to take off your undershroud. We're going to need a 17 socket for the link and a 19 open-ended to hold it while you undo the 17 nut. We're going to need a 14 for the brackets, for the bracket nuts, and then that's generally all you need. Here is the 14s. You're going to be taking these 14s off on both sides, and then you're going to hit these 17s and use your 19 open-ended wrench on there to hold it. Alright, all my nuts are off, and once they're all off, all you got to do is just let it drop, and then you can pull the links out on each end, and you'll be able to slide this puppy right on out. And you can see the difference between the two bars. The stock one, forget how thick this is, but I believe the Hotchkis is 35mm, and it comes with new brackets with Zerk fittings to re-grease them in the future, and fresh polyurethane bushings. And we're gonna open the grease that they also include, and we're gonna wipe it around inside of there. Go ahead and squeeze it in there. Just wipe it around with your finger. Get it nice and lubed up. And I'll do both sides, and then you can put the bushing on the bar. Okay, we got our bushings on. You can slide your brackets over top of them. Just a tip in the future, if you go to re-grease these with the Zerk fitting, just remember to use silicone grease, not lithium. That's what the instructions say. And also, when you put these on, it also says to have the fittings facing outwards, but the way that mine are attached, they don't, obviously you can see they face forward or backwards instead of left or right. So I'm just going to face mine forward, since I'm not going to tighten these anymore. So in reverse, we're going to put the links, we're going to connect them to the end links so it holds it on there, and then swing it up, and then slide it over the, I can't do this with one hand, but I'm going to slide this over here and then put the 14mm nuts on them. And there you go. Now you got a beefier front sway bar.